certification. Certification submitted within 3 to 5 days to the AHJ. Load tests still may be required by the AHJ.
Okay, this is Fire Escape Engineers. We're over here at 19 Union in New Brunswick. And we're just looking at this ladder. Basically, it's in good shape. You got new bolts. You do have a pretty big drop here. The preference is for that to go all the way to the ground. And then normally you would have brackets on each side of the gooseneck, but it is stiff and strong, and there are all new bolts at the brackets. You can see here one of the new bolts, and all the others are new. Okay, so this concludes the inspector's summary video. And this is position B2.
Load tests still may be required by the AHJ. Passed certification. Certification submitted within 3 to 5 days to the AHJ. Fire escape photos. Photos represent what the violations, if any, are, not where they are or how many exist. Pass-fail inspection, not technical repair report.